and feed them through. It'll be a little stiff, but feed it through to where it just pokes out the bottom, so you can try to drill it or go into the wall. Now you can feed the wires through. The wires through. Then kind of place it on the wall, and if you need to back up the screws a little bit to sit flush, back it up a little bit.
So I do have an option that you can change your hole spacing if you need it.
Alright, so now it's secured to the wall, that's not moving. Alright, so I send screws already screwed into the faceplate that belongs to the bracket that you're going to put on, so you can take those off. Don't lose them. And then if you have a bracket with your doorbell, some do, some don't. Come out the bracket. The Google one, the little the short side is up, so put that on the upside. And it's ready to put the doorbell. Alright, so then take it, loosen it up a little bit, get the angle that you want. I like to place the angle a little closer to my, so I can see the angle a little down, so I can try to see where my mat is, because that's where they typically put the packages. Let's see if I can open up my app. Alright, that's it. Doorbell's installed. Just make sure those screws are in. Make sure it's tight. Press the doorbell. See it doesn't move. Should be good.